Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make this beaded necklace. To make my necklace I'll be using beading wire, which is a very strong beading wire, 3 jump rings, 1 round spring clasp, 2 round crimp beads, small gold beads, 4mm and 8mm ivory beads, gold sun charm, crimping pliers, round tip pliers, and wire cutting pliers. Now I'll show you how to make my necklace. First I'll prepare beading wire. My necklace will be 42 centimeters long. I'm adding extra 3 centimeters on each side so I can add jump rings and spring clasp. So total length is 48 centimeters for the wire. Next I'll attach the sun charm on a wire. I'm using one of the jump rings. I'm opening up that jump ring open like that, adding the sun charm inside in a jump ring, and closing the jump ring closed like that. And I'm inserting this gold charm on a beading wire in the middle there. Next I'll add beads on a wire. First I'm adding ivory beads. I'm inserting 2 ivory beads on each side, so the sun charm is in the middle like that. Next I'm attaching 5 gold beads on each side. So it looks like that. And then I'm just continuing adding more beads on each side, so both sides are same amount of the beads, as you can see there. And I will add the beads till I reach 42 centimeters. So I have reached 42 centimeters for my necklace. Next I will be finishing off each end of the beading wire. I'll be using 2 crimping beads, 1 round spring clasp, and 2 jump rings to finish off each end of the beading wire. First I will show you how to attach jump ring on one end of the beading wire. I'm attaching this crimp bead inside in a beading wire, so it looks like that. Then I'm adding jump ring. Then I'm bending inside my beading wire inside in a crimping bead, so it looks like that. Then I'm pushing my crimping beads all the way up to the jump ring, and I'm closing that crimping bead close together so the jump ring is nice and secure. So it looks like that. The rest of the beading wire I'm inserting inside in a bead, so it's nice and secure inside and it doesn't come off like that. Next I will attach round spring clasp, which will look like that on other side of the beading wire. I'm pushing down all of the beads so they're nice and tight. Next, I'm adding this crimping beads inside in a beading wire, like that. Pushing that crimping bead together with the other beads, cutting excess wire off. Next, I'm folding down the beading wire and I'm inserting beading wire end inside in a crimping bead and other beads, and I'm creating like a little loop of the beading wire on the end. So the beading wire loop looks like this. I'll finish off this loop by pressing that crimping bead closed so the loop is nice and secure. Next, I'm opening up jump ring and inserting that beading wire loop inside in a jump ring. And next, I'm attaching this round spring clasp inside in a jump ring, and I'm closing that jump ring closed. And my necklace closing fastening is finished now. This is how it looks closed together, nice and neat, and my necklace is finished. If you have any questions how to make this necklace, please do comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.